Welcome back to a Many Property TV, where we delve into the world of real estate and provide you with valuable insights and advice. No clients, no problem. If you're new to real estate, here are 5 simple and proven ways to start building your client base today. Strategy 1. Leverage your sphere of influence. Your first clients are probably people you already know. Reach out to family, friends, and acquaintances. Let them know you're an agent. Strategy 2. Network with local businesses. Partner with mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and local businesses. They can refer clients to you, and you can do the same for them. Strategy 3. Use social media effectively. Post valuable content. Market updates, home tours, and success stories. Engage with followers and respond to comments to build relationships. Strategy 4. Knock on doors and host open houses. It may seem old school, but door knocking and open houses let you meet potential clients face to face. Just one great conversation can lead to a sale. Strategy 5. Follow up and stay in touch. Most agents lose clients because they don't follow up. Use texts, emails, and calls to stay top of mind and build trust over time. Start applying these tips today and watch your client list grow. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your biggest challenge in getting clients?